Welcome to my crochet pattern, Chanel. The pattern today we share is Christmas Tree Muffin. Let's start. To create the crimped effect for the sides of the cupcake cases, we will alternate between working raised double crochet stitches, FPDC, and normal double crochet stitches. You should stuff tree base while crochet. Before sewing it, you need to form equal folds. Wear bottom skirt to the base, fold it and find the middle. Pin to the base, working this way. Make 8 folds and sew them to the base. Repeat this for the middle and the top skirts. Sew this detail on cupcake muffin. Finish of leaving long tail. Weave in your starting end. Take your finish off end and attach it to the other end of the bow. Weave in your end and finish off. Finish of leaving long tail. Wrap the band around the middle of bow. Sew all details together, and here's completed Christmas tree muffin. Thanks for watching our Chanel.